below. Do subscribe to the channel. Continuous support for more videos. The c8c is EZVIZ's first outdoor Wi-Fi pan or tilt camera, a giant breakthrough combining an exquisite design with comprehensive functionality, capturing more details than ordinary outdoor cameras do. This camera ensures reliable, all-around outdoor protection. Your surroundings are covered with this outdoor pan or tilt camera with a 352 horizontal rotation and 95 vertical rotation. The c8c gives you an easy overview of all that's around you, and the EZVIZ app puts it all right on your smartphone or mobile device. Smarter than ever, as an upgrade from simple motion detection, the embedded AI algorithm intelligently detects the motion of human shapes in real time. When people enter your customizer detection area, you will be alerted immediately. 01. Full color night vision. Your night vision is now lit up and vividly restored to full color thanks to 2 built-in spotlights and professional optical lenses. 02. Black and white night vision. If you don't need extra lighting, just switch the camera to the black and white night vision via the EZVIZ app and still see 30 meters 10 ft away. Strobe light for enhanced protection. Coming with 2 spotlights for active protection, the camera allows you to manually flash the light via the app or set it to flash upon detection of people passing by.